Racing just is started. We have Delgado. Break quickly to start. Winding honor is done on the inside. Serenata. Then next on that is Majestic Queen. Dark Hero. Sexy Eyes is done on the inside. Cultello. Bostillos. Then comes Amazing. Damascus. Then next on that is Like to Win. My Sweet Leonora is done on the inside. Shut Up Racing. Second last Speed Admiral. While Sharp Eye is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Delgado by our length and a half. And in second is Majestic Queen. 3 lengths for the back. In third now is Twining Honor. And on the outside comes Sexy Eye. Serenata comes next. Like to Win. Then on the inside comes My Sweet Leonora. Dark Hero. Bostillos comes next. Then followed her by Cultello. Amazing Damascus comes next. Then next on line is Shut Up Speed Admiral. While Sharp Eye still racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race. We have Majestic Queen by about 3 lengths. Bostillos now trying to get closer in second as they swing for room. Majestic Queen. Bostillos is on the outside. Moves up to take the lead. We have Bostillos now saying it's my turn to take the lead. Bostillos by Rolenga, followed by Majestic Queen in second, and finally it's Bostillos. Majestic Queen, Twining Honor, Dark Hero, Amazing Damascus, Sexy Eyes.
Klaro ba, Kom?
10-7-1, 11-13-4. Klaro.
Okay. At ang ating forecast, inabot ng 940